Get training in 2 high-demand careers at once with Parkland College's Heavy Equipment Truck and Transport Technician Certificate. HET, as we sometimes call it, is a 1-year Sask Polytech certificate. It's offered at the Trades and Technology Centre in Yorkton. Our classes are delivered through blended learning. That's a combination of online and face-to-face classes. But you'll still apply the theory with lots of hands-on shop time, under the watchful eye of instructors who have years of real-world experience. In the shop, you might work on heavy-duty equipment like bulldozers, cranes, graders, and loaders. You can also train on trucks, buses, and highway transport vehicles. This hands-on training opens a lot of doors in a variety of industries, and it can help you on the path to journey person status through Sask Apprenticeship. Like many others here at the college, this program is first qualified, first admitted. The sooner you get your application in, the better your chances of being admitted. For this program, you'll need at least your grade 11. There's a special admission option and an English language requirement. Heavy Equipment Truck and Transport Technician is a 36-week program beginning in the fall and running until June. Applications are open right now. If you have questions about the process, you can make an appointment with our Learner Services team to get started. And make sure you check out our instructor interview for more about this program.